Hello everybody, so today I'm going to, where are we going? I forgot.
Market.
Yeah, we're going to market now and then I'm going to show you market today, how it is here, and I'm going to show you the price of vegetables and fruits. So let's go there and we'll check out today. Alright, I'm in the elevator right now. Again, as usual, the numbers 1 to 13, I'm sorry, 14. No zero here. So just say hi. So here is my wife, and we are going to the market right now. And say something.
Hi.
In Russian.
Привет.
And anything else more? Never mind. It's okay. Let's go. So I'm outside and it's very cold again as usual. It's very sunny today as well, and the roads are very icy. You see this? It's black ice. It's very difficult to walk as usual. So hopefully it will snow and it will be better. Once it snows, it's better to walk because it's softer, not like black ice where you slip off. So yeah. All right. So as you see, it's a very beautiful day today. No clouds, very sunny, but very cold. There's this pattern, you know, if it's sunny, it's very cold. But if it's overcast and snows, it's not very cold. So I gotta figure it out, why is that so? In the meanwhile, let's go to my car. Now, there it is. Right there. So, आज मैं हिंदी में थोड़ा ब्लॉग करूँगा और अभी मैं मेरी गाड़ी में हूँ और मैं अभी मार्केट जा रहा हूँ और वहाँ से कुछ फ्रूट्स और वेजिटेबल्स खरीद के फिर से दूसरी जगह जाना है. So, I'm in the car, it's very cold. The windscreen is frozen. You can see the windscreen is frozen, so I'm just trying to get rid of the ice on the windscreen. So it will take 5 minutes. And then I'm going to go and start the car. So stay tuned for that. I'm going to show you the market. So आज हम market जाएंगे. Let's go. But look at this. Eyes on the windscreen. I can't drive because I can't see, so I need a scraper. ये है scraper और अभी मैं अंदर से scrap करूँगा so that we can go to the market. Alright, so now let's go to the market. I start the car, show the signal, and here we go. So I'm gonna go very slow because there is a lot of ice here. I'll be very, very careful. So slow because right now I'm on ice, on the black ice. But I have very good tires which holds very beautifully on the black ice, so it doesn't skid. Only yesterday my car did skid, and I was lucky that there was no any other car and I was saved. Otherwise it would have been a big crash. Anyway, so now we are moving out of this building and we're going to the main road, and main road is better but there's no ice. So I showed the right hand signal and here we go. So, alright. Alright, so I'm on the main road now and I have to be very careful here because there are too many cars. And it's very confusing here. Come on. Alright, so now I'm gonna roundabout.
Tell me what you really like. Baby, I can take my time. We don't ever have to
So
fight.
this is mine,
Just take it step by step.
Citroen C4. It's a good car, made in France.
I can feel the body shake and the heat between our legs. You've been scared of love and what it
We're gonna be very careful at the pedestrian crossing here. The rules are very, very strict here when it comes to driving cars. Unlike in India where you can just do whatever you want, you can't hear. Right now we are in a market and I'm going to show you the market here. I'm going to show you the price, the market, how people sell here, and a lot of other things. So let's go. Say hi. So let's go check out the market now, and I'm sure you will like it. Let's go there. So I'm in the market right now, and and we are buying potatoes. What else?
Белый маленький остался.
Yeah, we're buying potatoes, beetroots, carrots, and many other things. So this is the market here, and it's very cold. It's very cold. It's very difficult to walk. It's very cold. What else you want to buy? And what's beetroot, cabbage, and
Chestnut.
what's chestnut?
Garlic.
Oh, garlic, yeah, garlic. तो ये है यहाँ का मार्केट, और ये जो मार्केट है बहुत इंडियन मार्केट जैसा है, और as you can see behind me, मेरे पीछे आप देख सकते हो कि ये सब जगह पे मार्केट है, और it's like every Saturday here, Saturday, Sunday, and here it is. Here it is. We got potatoes, red potatoes, beetroot, carrot, and many other things. So this is a market, and here she is. My hands are freezing because it's very cold. It's minus 17 or 18 today, and it's very difficult to be without gloves and hold this gimbal kind of thing. So, all right. Okay, so we have just bought the vegetables, and now I need to pay the money, and it's 600 rubles. Is it? So it's 600 rubles for this vegetable. So it's like 600 rupees, or maybe 7. All right. So unfortunately, my phone battery died again because it is very cold here. It's minus 17 today, so the phone doesn't work. At least not my phone. Anyway, thank you for watching my vlog again and coming all the way here. If you'd like to subscribe, please do that. I'll greatly appreciate that. And I will show you more about Russia, Russian food, Russian culture, and Russian lesser known cities like Izhevsk, Serapol, Votkinsk. So I'm going to show you about it more. So thank you again for coming all the way here, and I will blog in English, in Hindi, and Russian soon if I'm confident to speak in Russian. Right now I'm not confident to speak Russian in the camera, so I'm not doing it, so apologize for that. But anyway, this is a good chance for you guys to learn English as well. So thank you again for watching. I wish your dreams come true in 2020. I wish you a very happy new year. 2020 will be amazing. Even if you have bad days, just smile. It changes everything. So just smile, laugh. It doesn't matter what you're going through. It's not gonna be there forever. So thank you very much again, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye. Have a good day.